The furthest that we've traveled so far has been to the moon, and that was quite some time ago. The last time a man landed on the moon was in 1972. And now, we are planning a human space flight all the way to Mars. But before the long journey, a lot of preparation is needed. We will need all new technologies and skills, some of which we haven't even imagined yet.
To get ready, we will practice with what is called the Asteroid Redirect Mission. NASA will fly to an asteroid, take samples, test equipment, and eventually test new propulsion by pushing it to an orbit around the moon. So we will change a space rock into a rocket-powered satellite.
All of this will help when we need to ship a lot of equipment to Mars and operate far, far away from the help of the Earth. To be able to move large and heavy objects in space, we also need all new gear, spacesuits, rocket engines, and spacecraft like NASA's Orion spacecraft.
Our goal is in the 2030s to be ready to make the first crewed flight to Mars. Even though the spacecraft will fly at rocket speed, the journey to Mars will take many months, just like it took the Mars Curiosity rover about 9 months to get to the red planet. That's as long as a school year. Because during the journey, Mars will actually be in a totally different place on its orbit, the rocket is not aimed at Mars, but to a point where it will be months later. It's kind of like aiming an arrow at a moving target. As the trip takes such a long time, the crew will need robust communications technology, exercise facilities, and life support systems for clean water, air, and waste.
When the crew gets to Mars, there will actually already be a lot of robotic explorers there waiting for them. Already today, we have rovers and orbiters in place, taking photos and exploring the surface. Prior to the human spaceflight mission to Mars, there will be cargo sent in advance, habitation modules, equipment, and vehicles for the crew to use upon arrival. Just like on today's International Space Station, future astronauts on Mars will need a home to keep them safe during their mission. So what will the crew do on Mars? As the planet is quite similar in a cosmic sense to our Earth, we hope to find clues of former life on Mars. We will learn about how things might go if we do not protect our environment. Maybe find some new raw materials and gain data that we can use back on Earth. To help on the journey, we will learn how to grow food in space and recycle air and water. The journey to Mars will take us further than ever before. It will be the first time we have set foot on another planet. The mission is on the way already, with robotic explorers, exploration flight test, and future mission planning happening today for the eventual missions in the 2030s. So the first people on Mars might still be in school today. And we will need major advancements in science and technology, all new tools and innovations, and the people to create them. Maybe you can be one of them.